Hi, I'm Diane Holder, President and CEO of UPMC Health Plan, a division of UPMC. I'm proud to say that UPMC is a lead employer in Standing Firm, a regional initiative educating employers about the impact of intimate partner violence in the workplace and on their workforce. We see examples of partner violence almost every day in the news. Most of us don't think that this kind of abuse has impact outside the home and family. Standing Firm does. This initiative helps employers understand how partner violence affects workplace safety and the well-being and productivity of employees. In addition to the impact at home, victims of partner violence often face additional challenges at work. Things like having to cope with harassing phone calls, the pain and embarrassment from physical injuries, increased absenteeism, and often not feeling safe at work. Many businesses are not aware of the alarming statistics. Partner violence is responsible for 1/4 of all workplace violence in the U.S. each year. In addition to the human costs, the indirect medical cost of partner violence is almost $6 billion a year. The cost of lost productivity is more than $700 million, with almost 8 million workdays being lost. Additionally, these costs don't reflect the impact on coworkers and managers, which can be significant. We at UPMC are taking several important steps for our employees. First of all, we are educating our staff with a comprehensive awareness campaign about the issue of partner violence. In addition, we are informing managers on how to best handle partner violence situations. And finally, ensuring that the human resources and security departments, along with our employee assistance program, work together to ensure all employees' safety needs are met. We view dealing with partner violence as another important way we can create a healthier workplace and healthier employees. Our employee assistance program, Life Solutions, is a key component of our efforts. Their trained professionals are available to help victims through a crisis and develop a plan of action and ongoing support. They also provide services to the perpetrators of partner violence to help change beliefs about violence in relationships and to ensure the safety of those around them. Partner violence is a serious issue at home and in the workplace. By raising employee awareness, educating management, and improving our ability to respond appropriately to workplace safety, we help our employees feel safer at work. Your company can be part of this effort. We encourage other regional employers to join us in addressing partner violence as a workplace and workforce issue. Thank you for caring about this important matter.